¿Cuál es mi ciudad favorita? ¿Prefiero la playa o la montaña? ¿Vino o cerveza? Hola, bienvenidos a Key Spanish. Soy Alejandro. And in this lesson, we are going to learn a bit about my preferences. The focus of today's video is to provide you with some listening practice with a taste of the Spanish language. This is just the second lesson of our course for beginners. If you haven't already, make sure to check out the first one on greetings and introducing yourself. And therefore, you are just getting started, and there is no expectation for you to understand most of what you are hearing today. And that's okay. You need to be comfortable with that since the very beginning. And just focus on the sounds of the language and the few words you will understand. Okay? We will provide you also with subtitles that will make things a bit easier. But I want to reiterate that the focus of today is to give you a hint, a taste of how Spanish sounds like, and not for you to understand what you are hearing, especially not all of it. So let's dive into some of my favorite things. Una ciudad especial para mí es Palma de Mallorca. Yo he nacido en esta ciudad y Palma es preciosa. Es una ciudad fantástica, muy bonita. El clima, la temperatura es muy buena gran parte del año. Las playas son fenomenales. La comida, excelente, excelente. Palma es una ciudad muy especial para mí. Una serie de televisión, pues Los Serrano. Los Serrano es una serie clásica en España. Muy, muy, muy popular, divertida, con mucho drama, pero también comedia, y es mi serie favorita. Me encanta, me encanta. Una palabra especial en español para mí, una palabra que me gusta mucho, es aprender. Me encanta enseñar porque es mi trabajo. Mi trabajo es enseñar español, pero aprender muchas cosas, aprender idiomas, aprender habilidades, aprender sobre otras personas, aprender en general me hace muy, muy, muy feliz. Well, how was it? I told you a bit about my city, Palma de Mallorca, where I was born, a city I love, a special place for me, of course. A TV series I really enjoy, Los Serrano, a classic in Spain. It was, I think, started like almost 20 years ago. Wow. But it's a really, really good series to watch. Once you are more advanced, maybe you can check it out because it also provides good insights into Spanish culture. And lastly, I shared a word in Spanish that I enjoy, which is aprender. Aprender means to learn, right? So again, you don't need to understand most of it, but you probably understand some of it because, well, you have the hints with the pictures, and also there are many words that are similar. So I'm sure you can follow along quite well. But if not, don't worry. The focus again on this video is for you to get used to use the sounds of Spanish. And as I said in the introduction of this video course, of this series of lessons, one of the pillars is interactivity. So I want you now to tell me in the comments about a city that is special to you, a TV series you enjoy, and a word in Spanish that you know and maybe you like for some reason. And you can keep it simple. You can just write exactly like you saw, una ciudad, the city, una serie, and una palabra en español. And the answer, you can add something else, then that's perfect. But if not, that's enough. But just participate, okay? Remember, no seas vago. Don't be lazy. Deja un comentario y participa. And let's now continue telling you a bit more about myself. Going to share some of my preferences about important, very important topics. ¿Playa o montaña? Yo prefiero la montaña. La playa, no. No, porque el sol no me gusta tanto, yo soy muy blanco, ¿no? Y en la playa normalmente hay mucha gente, muchas personas, hace calor, no me gusta. Prefiero ir a la montaña y estar en la naturaleza. Prefiero comer carne. Sé que la verdura es muy saludable, es buena para tu salud, pero yo como más carne, la verdad. Específicamente como pollo, como mucho pollo. Así que prefiero la carne. Es difícil. Me gusta más la cerveza porque sí, es normalmente más fácil con los amigos tomar una cerveza en el bar. Y el vino también puedo beber vino en ocasiones más especiales. ¿Cine o literatura? Pues prefiero leer, prefiero la literatura, aunque leo sobre todo libros de psicología y de no ficción. No leo muchos clásicos. El cine no me gusta mucho, prefiero las series de televisión, así que la literatura. Esta es muy difícil, pero prefiero los perros. ¿Sí? Un perro es muy divertido, es más activo, es muy leal. Y los gatos son también graciosos, pero prefiero perros. Esta pregunta es complicada. ¿Barcelona o Madrid? Pero yo soy aficionado del Real Madrid. Me gusta más el equipo de la capital y no soy muy aficionado al fútbol, prefiero el baloncesto, pero bueno, prefiero el Real Madrid, la verdad. Soy madridista. How you know a lot about me? You know my favorite place and my favorite TV series, my favorite word, and some of my preference about important topics, right? I prefer dogs. I'm a fan of Real Madrid, not Barcelona. I rather would drink beer instead of wine, and many more things. And I'm curious about the last question, which is tricky in Spain. You need to be very careful here. People take this very seriously. So, what do you prefer? Also, tell me in the comments, Barcelona or Real Madrid. That's it for today's lesson. The purpose was just to give you some listening practice to let you hear how Spanish sounds like. Don't worry, don't get stressed if you did not understand most of what you heard. That's okay. The purpose was just to give you some practice into the sounds of Spanish. And before you go, as a companion of this course, we provide you with lesson notes for each of them. You can get access completely for free. You will find the link in the description of the video. And for example, for this lesson we have just covered, you have the slides of the lesson in case you want to check them out again, as well as the vocabulary that's relevant for the lesson, and in this case, an extra audio that I recorded with another person going through the same test. And it's an interactive audio where you also have the transcript. So make sure to click the link in the description if you would like to get access to these lesson notes for not only today's lesson, but also the previous one in the course and all the ones that are to come. Like, for example, the next one in Module 0, the third lesson, is about the alphabet. Going to learn about some of the most important sounds in Spanish. And if you don't want to miss out, make sure to subscribe to our channel and click that notification bell. And if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like, dale a me gusta. Es gratis, right? It's free. So come. So, again, thank you as always. Soy Alejandro de Kiss Spanish y nos vemos en clase.